Justice here with a great opportunity in the Hamburg area. I have an industrial property that was used as a tractor trailer manufacturer, repair facility, or tractor trailer repair shop. It actually is two parcels. One is a 10.46 acre property. The other one is a 34.22 acre property. The first property actually has 8 structures. I got to read from the list because there's a lot here. It actually consists of a manager's or owner's home, which was 1,350 square foot, a storefront, which was 1,200 square foot, the main shop, which is 20,200 square feet, a paint booth, which is 1,650 square feet, paint bay building, which is 4,000 square feet, and 3,600 square feet of open storage. Trailer building, which is 12,500 square feet with 40-foot high ceilings, 400 square feet of office, 7.5 ton crane, and a 5-ton crane, and 40-foot wide doors, and a 780-foot ranch home, as well as a 1,200 square foot storage garage. The property also has 2 ponds, and that's a total of approximately 39,600 of industrial space, 1,120 of retail, 3,600 open storage, and 2,090 residential square footage. You have 3-phase power, 460 volt power supply, and this is a great property if you're looking for this type of business, or you need an industrial property because they're hard to come by in Hamburg, not just Hamburg, everywhere in general. Pete Custis, 610-209-9219, and if you need to expand, we do have that 34 acres available, or that could be sold separately. And if you're interested in a tractor trailer manufacturer business, we do have the business available too. Give me a call. Look forward to hearing from you soon.